In interpolation and extrapolation chapter, we have learned if two values are missing in binomial expansion method, how we can calculate both missing values over there. In today's video also, we have taken the same example of the two missing values over there for having the command on this method. So we are having the data of 2014 to 2022, the production data is given. So in 2014 the production is 766, in 2015 787, then 2016 the production data is missing, then 2017 the data is given, 18 data is given, 19 data is also missing, and 2020, 2021 and 2022 the data is given. So the very first we will having, this is the production data. So this is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7 and y8. Total 9 years is given, and among these 9 years 2 are missing. So given is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 is given. So y minus 1 raised to power 7 formula we have to use, because the given value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the expansion of this, that is y7 minus 7y6 plus 21y5 minus 35y4 plus 35y3 minus 21y2 plus 7y1 minus y0 is equal to 0. So the formula for that is y7 minus 7y6, 7 6 are 42 divided by 2, that is 21 by 5, 21 multiplied by 5, that is 305 divided by 3, that is 35, 35 multiplied by 4 is 140 divided by 4, that is 35 by 3, then 103 divided by 5, that is 21, 21 multiplied 2, that is 42 divided by 6, that is 7, and 7 multiplied 1 divided by 7, that is y0. So this is plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus. So the expansion is perfect. Now we will put the value of this. y7 value is given, that is 776 minus 7. The value of y6, this is 806. 21 y5 value is not given. Minus 35 y4 value is given 787 plus 35 y3 value is also given, that is 777 minus 21 y2 value is not given plus 7 y1 value is given, that is 787 minus y0 value is given, that is 766. So putting these value, we will get the equation. The first is 776 is positive value. 7 multiply 806. 7 multiply 806 is negative value, that is 5642. Minus 21 5. First one minus and this is plus. Okay. Now 35 787. 35 multiply 787 is minus value 27545 minus 27545 plus value 35 multiply 777 is plus value 27195 minus 21 by 2 value not given. 7 multiply 787. 7 multiply 787. So positive value is 55049. Minus 766 is minus value, that is 0. So this is 473. So 21y5 minus 21y2 minus 473 is equal to 0. That is first equation. First equation is 21y5 minus 21 by 2 minus 473 is equal to 0. So there is a little difference is over there. So we can write 21 by 5 minus 21 by 2, that is 473. This is our first equation. Againly I should check one times, that is 776 is plus value. 806 multiply 7, 806 multiply by 7 is minus value. 35787, 35 multiply 787 is minus value. 35 multiply 777 is plus value. Then 7 multiply 787, 7 multiply 787 is plus value. 766 is minus value. So 473 is okay. So the first equation we have calculated, that is 21 by 5 minus 21 by 2, that is 473. Now we will change. What we will change? We will increase a digit of this. Same equation, we will increase the digit of this. So y8, y4, y7, y8. 7, y6, 7 plus 21, y5, then y6. Then 35, y4 is here, so y5 will be right. Plus 35, y3 is over, so y4 we will write. And 21, y2, so y3 is over there. And 7, y1 is here, so y2 is here. And y0 is here, so y1 is here. So we have changed one digit in the same equation and putting the value, that is 787 minus 7, 776 plus 21, 806 minus 35, y5 don't know, plus 35, y4 value is 787 minus 21, 777 plus 7 by 2 value not now, minus 787 is equal to 0. 787 one time, 7817, okay. Now calculating 787 is plus value. 7 multiply 776, 7 multiply 776 is minus value, 5432. So 787 minus 5432 plus 21 multiply 806 is plus value, that is 16926 minus 35 y5 plus 35 multiply 787, so plus values 27545, 27545 minus 21 multiply 777, so 16317 plus 7 by 2 minus 787, 787 is minus value. So this value is 22722 plus value. So here 35y5 plus 7y2 plus 22722 is 0. This is second equation. This will be second equation. This will be treated as second equation. We can write 35y5 minus 7y2 we are taking 35, changing the sign, 35 this and 22722 is equal to 0. So 35y5 minus 7y2, that is 22,722. This is our second equation. So we have got two equations. First equation is 21y5 minus 21y2, that is 473, and second equation is 35y5 minus 7y2, that is 22722. So again we are first 787 is the plus value, 776 multiply 776 multiply by 7 is minus value, 21 multiply 806 is plus value. 35 multiply 787 is plus value. 21 multiply 777 is minus value, and 787 is minus value. So 22,722. Okay. Now we will having the comparison of both equation. For getting value of first and second, the second I have first is 21y5 plus 21y2, that is 473. Okay. Now multiply with 3. This is 35y5 minus 7y2, that is 22722. So this is first equation, that is second equation. So now we will solve these equations for getting the value of y3 and y5, y2 and y5. We will solve both of the equation. So the second equation is 35y5 minus, first I am writing first equation, 21y5 minus 21y2, that is 473, and this equation multiply by 3. 105y5 minus 21y2, 22,722 multiply by 3, that is 68166. So comparison of this, minus, plus and minus. So 105 minus 21. So this is minus 84y5, 68166 minus 473, 67693, 67693. So y5 value is equal to minus cross 67693 divided by 84. So that is 805. So the first missing frequency, missing value, that is 805.86. That is 805.86, 805.86, or we can write that 806. So first value we have calculated, that is 806. By putting the value of y5 in equation anyone, in equation 1 or 2, we can calculate the second, that is 21 multiply by 806, putting the value of y5 minus 21y2, that is 476. So minus 21y2, that is 476, minus 806 multiply by 21, 16926, 16926. So minus 21y2, that is 476 is plus value. So having 16450, minus 16450, minus to minus cancel. So y2 is 16450 divided by 21. So this value is 783.33. So this value is 783. So the y2 value is 783.33, or y2 value is 783. So with the help of this, if two value is missing, very easily with the help of binomial expansion method, we can calculate whether the number in this, the numbers was 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is over there, no problem. Just we have to apply the formula, and putting the value we can calculate. If two value is missing, then also we can having the interpolation of this. So I think this video will be helpful for you to know how to calculate two missing value with the help of binomial expansion method. Thank you.